guys, Cranberry Cat here. Today we're doing something I haven't done yet. We're opening stuff. Alright, so today I got these plant packs at Hobby Lobby. My lighting is really horrible right now. Let me open my curtains, I'll be right back. Oh, that barely helps, but it's better. Okay, so we got a veggies and bloom kit for a little farm I'm gonna make. Got like rocks right here, some kind of bushes right there. I think those are cabbage. Looks like cabbage. We got like some crazy berries or tomatoes and corn up there, and then some kind of leaf. And these are trees. Didicus trees. Didicus trees. No assembly required. Ready to plant on your layout of the most economical way to add trees. Okay, so oh my gosh, it's actually face focused. It's focusing on the face. That's funny. Okay, so I got my trusty scissors right here. My hat fell off. Ugh. Okay, so this is going to be hard to do with one hand. Just carefully cut it without cutting the plants. I cut a little fuzz off, but I guess it's okay. Okay. Oh. Well, they're fuzzy. They feel weird. I'm just gonna put it over there and go back to that in a second. Oh my gosh, one fell down there. Oh, they're all falling down there. Also,
okay. Yeah, I'm here with my sister.
This is Cherry Kitten, my little sister. She's gonna help me unpack.
Oh, this is my main, and these trees are so fuzzy.
Yeah, they're like so fuzzy. Oh my gosh.
And they feel like foam.
So fuzzy. And I guess you have to like put them in the stands. Well,
oh my gosh, a piece broke.
Let's just get back to that. Bushes. Bushes. Okay, so now we're going to open this beauteous pack. Get out of here. This beauteous pack. Mind holding the camera just like this? Oh, don't move it. Careful. Don't show any faces.
Okay. I'm showing any faces.
I think I can actually just do this.
Yeah.
Don't show any faces.
I won't.
Don't sing! I'm gonna get copyright.
What are those? Is that like a bush?
It's like a bush.
It's like spiky.
It's like tomatoes, maybe? Oh no!
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Tomato trees, I think.
Bushes.
Bushes.
Oh, and then we got the corn.
Corn! These are actually really good. I might use these. This is so much. I might use some of these for my set.
Yeah.
It looks like, so I show the camera to her. It looks like a top hat. Dun 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 dun. Tappy toes. Dun 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 dun. Get out of there.
Okay, now I got some cool like rocks I can use by my
organize it. I want to see organize it.
Focus to the camera. Well, yeah, they got like little rocks and
I want to see it organize it.
Oh, it's stuck. Okay. We got like a what?
Put this stuff like right here. Maybe.
We got like a hedge. You can pull off stuff, I guess.
The hedge.
Here's the.
What are these, like rocks?
Yeah.
Rocks. Cabbage. Cabbage go over here.
So here's the cabbage.
I got a corn piece.
Tell me in the comments what that is, because I really do not know what it is. I think my mom comments are like. So I think my mom actually cooked with this before, because I've actually seen it. Oh no. Well, I dropped this, but I also dropped the weird capsicum thing.
Fell off of it. How rude are you?
Oops. Well, weird red thing's dead, but it looks like this.
This is a camera stand.
I know. I don't use my tripod. It's got like this hedge. These tomato plants.
Hedge? What the heck is a hedge? Are those corn?
Yeah, this is corn. Is that wood? Yeah, they're like kind of wood chips right here for the corn area.
Yeah.
We got the rocks. And we got the trees over there.
You put your set onto it.
Yeah. Wait a minute. Is that rock right there for me? Wait a minute, let me see. Right there.
Do not know what the heck is this, but then stuck on my foot! Help! Look!
Oh my god. So we got some nice foam.
We do shut our doors.
This is like concrete or something. It's like cardboard on one side and then concrete on the other. The cardboard's actually really soft. This feels kind of like stone. I don't know, but it's just
white form.
but it's like concrete or something.
Like the corn piece gets like, "Pachow! Pachow!" Like that, or maybe like, chick. Yeah.
Yeah, looks nice.
Pachow!
Well, that's it for today, guys. This is Cranberry Cat and
Sherry Cat.
signing off. Bye! Hey guys, I'm back. And I had to connect this video because I was thinking, wow, that video's short. But hopefully I'm going to only make this into 2 clips. That way I don't have to pause the speed and mess it all up. You know? Well, I gotta go put my camera on my tripod so I can put it, ooh, that looks nice. So I can put it on the, so it can be, like, maybe right here would be good, or maybe right here. Yeah, I'll see. This looks good. See you in a second. Here it is, all done. So we got this little area right here, which the whole scene will actually happen. And my hat's over here. And we got the crops that cat will climb through. Can't say ooh. Might be a whole completely entire different cat. We don't know. And I'm gonna use these rocks and the rest of the trees on my actual Panther Clan set. So, yeah. I forgot my own outro. Cranberry Cat out.